हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको रिडक्स थंक के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ रिएक्ट जेएस में। तो रिडक्स स्टोर जब हमारे पास ऑलरेडी ये कॉन्सेप्ट है रिएक्ट जेएस में, तो थंक का यूज़ क्यों हुआ? तो बेसिकली इट इज़ लाइक ए मिडिलवेयर फंक्शन। मिडिलवेयर यानी कि आपको कोई लॉजिक एग्जीक्यूट कराना है, कोई बिफोर dispatching any action you want to execute your logic, or you can say there is some external API you want to call. So that is an asynchronous communication. Okay. It means asynchronous communication means there is some delay in the response. To get the response, there is some delay. So that kind of function, if you want to execute in your React.js application, then there is use of Redux Thunk. Okay. And for example, in verifying the API, okay, and suppose there is get request. Get request means you want some data, and that data has you want to show in the UI in your from your React.js application. Though, so you are calling some external API, and that is a get request. So in layman terms, in asynchronous communication, where there is some delay in that function, so thunk function we can execute. Okay, and how it is executed, how it is created, that is the first question you would be thinking. So thunks are the functions with Redux stores dispatch and getState methods. Redux store हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो मैंने बना रखी है, तो आप मेरे चैनल में जाके देख सकते हैं। डिस्पैच होता क्या है? डिस्पैच यानी कि आप कोई एक्शन अगर डिस्पैच कर रहे हैं, यानी कि एक एक्शन जो कि एक लॉजिक परफॉर्म कर रहा है, एक टास्क परफॉर्म कर रहा है, तो सबसे पहले आप एक्शन क्रिएट करते हो, ठीक है, यूजिंग डिस्पैच. देन that action you created, you pass it to the reducer. So in Redux store I am telling you, so the same thunk function takes the two parameters dispatch and second one is getState. So first one is the dispatch argument. It means it will dispatch some action, and this is the thunk function. Inside that you can write the logic. Okay, then if you are dispatching the thunk function, then using store.dispatch method, you have passed the thunk function. So you have passed this as a variable, you can say, because this const thunk function is taking the function dispatch with and get state. Thank you, friends.